Is the polynomial 1 plus 2m a factor of 4m plus 3 plus m squared plus 2m cubed? To find out, we divide this polynomial by 1 plus 2m. So we follow the method of solving for the first two steps. We arrange the terms first. We write the dividend as 2m cubed plus m squared plus 4m plus 3 and the divisor as 2m plus 1. Next, we check if the degree of the divisor is less than or equal to the degree of the dividend. We can only proceed if the answer is yes. Degree of the divisor is 1 and the degree of the dividend is 3. As 1 is less than 3, we proceed with our division. We write this polynomial under this sign and the divisor 2m plus 1 on its left. Dividing the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor, we get m squared. So it becomes the first term of our quotient. Then we multiply this with this and write the product here. Multiplying m squared with 2m plus 1, we get 2m cubed plus m squared. This product is the same as this part. So after subtracting, we get a 0. We get 4m plus 3 down. Dividing 4m by 2m, we get 2. That becomes the second term of our quotient. 2 multiplied by 2m plus 1 gives us 4m plus 2. After subtracting, we get a 1. We stop here since the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. The degree of the remainder is 0 and the degree of the divisor is 1. And 0 is less than 1. Now what does the remainder tell us? As it's not 0, 2m plus 1 is not a factor of the polynomial. But we still need to check if our division is correct. So we check using a general form. The general form says dividend equals quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. The quotient is m squared plus 2 and the divisor is 2m plus 1 and the remainder is 1. Using the distributive property, this equals m squared multiplied by 2m plus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2m plus 1 plus 1. This will equal 2m cubed plus m squared and this will equal 4m plus 2 plus 1. This can be written as 2m cubed plus m squared plus 4m plus 3. Since it equals the dividend, our calculations are correct and we can be sure that 2m plus 1 is not a factor of the dividend.